The Petal 2 card reports to all three major credit bureaus and uses banking data instead of traditional credit history for approval decisions. By the end, you'll know how Petal 2 approval works, how its cashback system functions, and whether it is actually worth using in 2026 compared to other starter credit cards. Start with approval. Petal 2 uses bank account data and income patterns to evaluate applicants instead of relying only on credit scores. That means your spending habits and deposits matter more than your past credit history. Now explain what that means. This is designed for people with limited or no credit history. Approval is based on financial behavior instead of credit history alone. Now explain how the card works. Once approved, you use the Petal 2 card like a normal Visa credit card for everyday purchases. Payments are made monthly, just like a standard credit card. Now explain the credit building feature. Petal 2 reports your payment history to all three major credit bureaus. That means on-time payments can help build a credit profile over time. Now, explain the cashback system. Petal 2 offers cash back on eligible purchases through participating merchants. Rewards are tied to specific spending categories and offers, not a flat universal rate. Now, explain the main benefit. The main benefit is accessibility. It gives people with thin credit files a way to access a real credit card and start building history. Now explain the trade-off. The reward structure is not as simple as traditional flat-rate cashback cards. Cashback depends on merchant offers and qualifying purchases. Now, explain the biggest misconception. Petal 2 is not a high-rewards credit card. It is primarily a credit-building tool with limited cashback incentives. Now explain who it helps most. It is most useful for people who are starting their credit journey and want a simple entry-level credit card. Now explain who it is less useful for. It is less useful for users who already qualify for strong rewards credit cards with fixed cash back structures. Now, explain the limitation. Approval still depends on bank data review, which means inconsistent income can affect eligibility. Now, summarize the core idea. Petal 2 is a starter credit card that focuses on credit building with some cash back features. It uses banking behavior instead of credit history for approval. And its value depends on whether you want credit access more than strong rewards. One practical next step. Check your bank activity consistency before applying, because that is a key factor in how Petal 2 evaluates applicants. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit cards without confusion.